Nairende mbia mwana sidi bagay na ilu kukuwa na asengi jiyobu yabu mwaka ongeza. Mwaka ongeza nkorunga is my uncle. Nomo basi yale lakini nanyao basi abanda basi barangega bakukuwa na mbali yangu na asari wete. Omuntu ko baroni njye very close to him. Mwagendo mu machoge. Mwaka ongeza I've known him for a long time. Kera jita America ga kera my brother renga oriko ku Eric the late. Kera arogo chakana baraka tulentera maiga na lero na gojo tonyo kasemera aki America aki ndochio. But we came very late years back. Na tore gaiga. Unless I met him here to come na nere gaiga. Tora se kiombe kemo gekoruga Safari family. Safari family to abere nere for a long time. Ari chairman tukaropia mangana ande ase kiombe geito tukakora yatu akorote. Kiombe nkia wagate tu few bagatenga it was not right lakini rende njia betu na ya beta tukabana kama yaki omugako yiga no mugambiare because it was for the welfare of that Kiombe Safari as a family. And any matter mugako yiga as mna berega as bobasi mna babasi babere ko bana barabu amo to unite them to be together. Mbaro Kiombe kiawe kidibare kiawe basi mbaro they know him. Everybody can testify atabaga kiyo mana aki ngakiyo mugako yongesa ngakiarenge. He was a good man and I know he stand up for the truth. Parenge mugako riko bere kana mutaka the principle ngiria atabaga kina bande na bere iga if he has felt that that's the truth na bere toka ndaiga na kutoka ndaiga. I've known him for a long time, but with the family of Vanessa, I know these guys, they have seen me or they know me. I say Paul sana to you guys. He was a loving father. I know that. He stood what for? He stood for because he wanted you guys to stand strong before he leaves, so that you can take up his legacy. So that's all I can say to you, the children, and as a community. Let us stand for him. Ikero no musigara manana before us. Tulanga ki how we gonna send this mugako yoiga in a very peaceful way. Thank you so much.